business training. Okay, sir. Ravi Kumar sir will start. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So, thank you, Mr. Karthik sir. So, Karthik sir is a good, genuine leader, and he is from Local Leadership Council of India. And I am very proud to be honored to present here your business training today. Okay. So, and this training will be very superb, and for you, everyone, it will be a knowledgeable, and you are going to take something more message to you. Okay. So now I am going to start my screen. Okay. One second. One second. Yes, I hope my audio and video is clear. Okay. So good morning. Okay. Good morning, everyone. And I hope I need your interactive things. Okay. In your message box or your you give your noise. Okay. You give your things. Okay. Yes, I can start today. And this is Evo Rich business training. Evo Rich. So by the name itself, we are all every rich. Okay. Every person is rich. Evolution of the rich. So here it implicates our vision of new. So there is a concept we can call it as new. Okay, new economic evolution of the world. So what is the vision? So our vision, it's a community. New is a community, same frequency, like-minded people community. Our mission is to integrate, is to educate at least a billion professional investor. So for that, we need to register at least 4 to 5 billion clients. So out of that, we have to educate across the globe, across the universe, nook and corner of the world. So we have to educate the persons and get them financial knowledge. So this is our vision. So in order to achieve this vision, we have a mission. Okay. So we have a strong mission. It is already proven thing. I want to introduce you our mission. Okay. So what about the business? So the next word in your presentation, business. Everyone, if I ask anyone, no, so I'm doing business. Okay. So what about the business? So business, everyone is thinking the same. It must have a office. You must be the director, and you are having own staff, internet, and then office location, everything. Okay. So in addition to that, legal, technology, everything you must have as like a business. So there is a business according to our society. So, but what we are saying, what is the business? Okay, who are all entrepreneurs? So business nowadays in this computer era, in this 21st century, business is gets more faces. So it's not like the traditional business. So now we can call it as one more word, that is freelancer. You can know, anyone can know freelancer. So this word, if you heard this word in previous, you give me one. So this is the first time I am heard this word, you give me two, sir. Freelancer. So freelancer is one of the wonderful and excellent word. Okay, you see, everyone is heard this freelancer. So freelancer means, so in this business, in our Evo business, you don't need to have at least a office. You don't need to have any staff. You don't need to have any office location. You don't need to pay, that is give monthly rent. Nothing. So in this computer era, we are going to do a business in a different manner, different version. So and you can easily duplicate to other people's also. And it never need anything. So yes, just a simple tool. A personality development education, it's okay then. Okay, your traditional education, and in addition to that, some knowledge from the superior people, from your mentors. It's enough to start a business of freelancer. So that's why in this Evo Rich, today we are going to give you a business training. It must be a wonderful one. I assure you, in these previous years of experience, so this type of opportunity, it will not be given to you. I assure you. Because why I am saying this, no? I realized that out of 17 years of experience from 2002 to from 2019, when I joined in this company, I never take this type of training anywhere. Even though I am a good graduate, postgraduate mechanical engineer, I never take anything from here because Evoris is one of the unique and strong business model. Okay, so the training is given to all already clients. Okay, it's not given to new person. I'm asking you one question. Anyone you are very new here for this training? Anyone you are attending first time this business training? You can give me some 5, sir. Anyone attending the business training for the first time here for this business training? Because Evoris business training, so it's a set of content, it's a set of information which will be very useful to you. And today, when you go out of this training, your mind will be glowing, your mind will be refreshed. Okay, sir? Yes, thank you. So then, yes, LM Karthikeyan is there. Yes, sir. Thank you, Karthikeyan, sir. Yes, I can go to next slide. So before we go to anything, okay, so I can introduce myself, Ravi Kumar Munusamy. I am top leadership council member. I am from Tamil Nadu region. Okay, so totally I am having 20 years of multidisciplinary experience in different business. Not only I can say some few categories. Okay, so starting from poultry, insurance, banking, Aadhaar card. Okay, so and then the different many more things, real estate. Okay, and I am in teaching also. And then I worked in government tender projects, educational projects, several things out of this. So that is 17 years experience. So out of that, in this company, I have 3 years experience. So totally out of this 20 years experience, I learned a lot. But in this company, it's a wonderful experience. Whatever the previous experience I heard, so this company utilized it. Okay, that's why I am a top leadership council member and I am speaking before you as a Evoris speaker. I am an invest consultant also. I finished all the courses from the company like professional investor and invest consultant also. And I'm a master profi graduate and I'm a professional continuous investor. NDE, there is a wonderful, excellent, there is a sector, there is a NDE, New Digital Evolution. So in that I'm a seller also and user also. It's like a digital guarantee project. Okay, I will give you later. And I am a marathon student also and administrator also. The previous case. Okay, so now I'm very proud to give you this type of service to you. Okay, sir. Yes. So I can proceed further. Next slide. What is today? What you are going to get? Okay. So today you are going to get the topics like cash flow quadrant. Cash flow quadrant. Okay. So and then first step. What is the first step you have to do? As an entrepreneur, you want to become entrepreneur, but you don't know how to do. But here we teach you what to do. Okay, because all the entrepreneurs are there, we are already successful in this career, and we just teach you what we are doing already, and we will teach you. Then it's a proven record. You can also come with us. Okay, and there is a career ladder is there. It's a simple step. So how to move step by step? You already know what is the step, correct? Now, so if you give in a step by step, this is an achievable plan. In this Evoris, so what is the system goes? Is there is an illustrative plan? So in that plan, you have to follow the step by step. Okay. So you suddenly we cannot go to 10 step, 20 step. So step by step, if you follow, that is shown in a career ladder. Okay. And there is a rank, agent rank. And what is the core rank? What is the core rank? It's called a consultant. How to achieve this consultant? And additional business training. How to achieve this? Your career must be very, very, very strong. And also you must achieve all the financial freedom in this Evoris. So how to do? Okay. And finally the Q&A. So you keep with a note and pen. So what are all the new words? What are all the questions with your mind? You can note it down. Finally, when the Q&A comes, so you just ask your question. Feel free to ask the question in chat or something. We will be ready to answer. Yes, sir. So and then we move to next step. So Robert Kiyosaki. Who knows something about Robert Kiyosaki? You heard something about him? You heard something means you can give me 2 previously. No, sir. I don't know anything means you can give me 5. Yes, several persons know him. Everyone knows him. Okay, so he is a financial analyst. He is a professional investor, and he is born in US. Okay, and he is an author, and he successfully taken his career. Okay, so what is his statement? So this cash flow quadrant is a very popular one. All the financial peoples, everyone know. Okay, what is this cash flow quadrant? Okay, sir. So Robert Kiyosaki. So you know it's a work that is a rich dad poor dad. Okay, rich dad poor dad. So in this history, so you go and go search with Google. A brief message it will come. A brief story it will come. Like rich dad poor dad. So that is people is same. But if it is grown by a rich dad, what will happen? If he is grown by a poor dad, what will happen? So that is every son taking birth in this world. So everyone is clever. But where are growing? Overall, what is the situation? Where you are growing? Under which consideration you are going? Under which family you are growing? Either you are in the poor environment or you are in the rich environment. So then automatically the son, the grown up will be different. If you grown up in Chennai, it's like a city environment. If you grown up in a village, it's like a different environment. So depend upon the situation, depend upon the environment you'll be like. Okay. So I can go further. So here there are 4 quadrants you are seeing. Okay. So there is the top left, and then there is the bottom left, and then you go to top right, and then bottom right. So there are 4 quadrants are there. The first quadrant you can get as a job. So you are a job person. Okay. The second quadrant is the entrepreneur. And the third quadrant is the businessman, and fourth quadrant is the investor. So I'm going to give something about these things. It's a very excellent, what is this? This is already a forecasted one by Robert Kiyosaki, and it is a perfectly working model. So if you follow this working model, then you can easily, you can easily judge your mind, who you are. Okay, each and every one here in this presentation, you have to justify who you are. So you are in which quadrant actually? What are the benefits? What are the pros and cons of each quadrant? Okay, so I can start with first. So I am also an employee. I am also like an employee out of 6 years. So in one of the private engineering college as an assistant professor. So because I already finished my education MB, okay, BSc, BTech, and then MB. So in that time, what I am a job. Okay, I am a job holder. So employer is that college. So in that time, what will happen? I just get out of my home but by 7 a.m. and I will return back by 7 p.m. So almost 12 hours. Okay, so only Sunday is a holiday. 6 days continuously working out of 6 years. So it's like so that type of period, that 6 years, no? So it's like there is no freedom for me. There is no time freedom. There is no financial freedom. So time bound. So I have to give the time to such a person, to my employer, because they are giving my salary, no? So that's why there is no freedom for me. There is no time freedom. There is no financial freedom. So even if I want to take a leave, so I have to request with the 3 step of person. I have to ask with my department head, and I have to go to the principal, and then I have to go to the management. So if you want to take a leave, why? Because so this is the standard of setup they are having. So I earn nothing, no freedom. Okay. So at the time I can't go with the family. There is no excursion. There is no foreign tour. There is no local tour. Nothing. So what happened? No. So I tried to improve to the second version as an entrepreneur. What he will do? So because I am already an entrepreneur, from 2002 I started my business. So in between only I gone for a job. So just for the experience. Correct? No. So now I again, what is an entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is nothing but, so I don't want to work with such an employer. My time must be freedom, and I have to take the financially. So financial is my risk. Okay. So that business is lose or the business is loss or profit, it's up to me only. Okay, because I am the entrepreneur. This is a single man decision. I am the entrepreneur. Having some 5 to 6%, 5 to 10%, a small location, and it's a small business like. So this is the prior step to the businessman. Okay, for example, in the third quadrant, businessman is there. So after this businessman, what will happen? So businessmen will be giving some private jobs, some tender jobs. So to this type of entrepreneur. For example, entrepreneur means you may be a doctor, or maybe a lawyer, or maybe a accountant. So likewise, you can serve to the society directly. So in this entrepreneur, it may be whatever may be the whatever may be the that is what I can say, sector. So in all the sectors, we are having entrepreneur. Not only the financial, not only the education sector. In all the sectors, we are having entrepreneur. So just this is a startup. So you have to use your fund. You have to use your office. You are the responsible. Either the business is reduced, is a loss or profit. Either it is grow very high. So you are the responsible. So in that also the risk is very more. Okay, you see in this pandemic situation, almost from March 2020. Okay, so now the third pandemic is going on, Omicron. So it takes various steps. So now in these 2.5 years, what you have gone, what you have gone through, what you have realized, this is an unforeseen risk. So in this unforeseen risk, several entrepreneurs are nowhere. They lose actually. They lose their identity. They lose their business. Even they are not having any job. Who are all working under their entrepreneur, they also lose the job. You are able to follow me? You can able to follow me. Give me some time. Have you understood? What is the second quadrant? So this is the entrepreneur. So here also there is no freedom. Many more risks are there. Okay. So if you consider the next quadrant, third quadrant, businessman. So here the businessman, what they are doing actually. So they own a business as like the entrepreneur, but it's like a large scale. Okay. So they may be coming from his father's business. They may be financially strong. So it's like a spoon feeder. There is a one silver spoon. So what is the case? So their father, their grandfather, everyone may be rich. So they may be given a gift, the gift of business to their children. So in that way, it's like a family business. So in that way, it will come businessman. You see in our India, you can see that's the Reliance Group of Industries. So this is Reliance Group of Industries almost exists more than 50 years. So it's like a family business. So it's coming on generation to generation. So in that, Reliance is one of the fourth billion worldwide, fourth billionaire. Okay. So then how it is happening? So you can consider, for example, so in this Reliance Group of Industries, the several set of people they are working, and they are working for their salary. Correct? No. So that Reliance group of that owner, CEO, what he will be getting? So he will be peaceful and he will be financially free, and he will be that is a financially freedom and financially free, and then time freedom. So everything is there. So he is just enjoying the things. In this pandemics also, what happened? In this pandemic situation also, there is nothing happened to that company. Why? So they are doing the business as a good manner, as in a systematic way. So what is the best? What is the best thing? What is there with you? There's a people. People work for them. People are their asset. Okay, how much employees they are working? That is the asset. Correct? No, they are working under guideline. They are working under the legal, and they are following everything systematically. So that's why they are very successful in these things. Correct? No, businessman. So now, yes, there is a question for you. There is a question for you. Whether you are in job, you can give me 1. Whether you are an entrepreneur, you can give me 2. Whether you are a businessman, give me 3. And if you are an investor, give me 4. So I am seeing this chat. I am waiting for you. Who you are? Who you are? Just realize your mind. Okay, who you are? Where is the situation? Who you are? You can give me chat. So you are a job. You are a job holder, or you are an entrepreneur, or you are a businessman, or you are an investor. Before I am going to fourth quadrant, I am asking these things. Correct? No? So there is investor. It's investor. Investor is a separate category. Investor. What is that meaning? So many more people not know anything about the investor. They doesn't know even at least there is a profession like this. Even I also don't know. Before I joined with this company, honestly, I am saying, so I don't know, there is a profession like a investor, professional investor. Warren Buffett is a professional investor. Robert Kiyosaki is a professional investor. I don't know. Even out of 17 years of experience, I don't know. But before joining this Evolage, I don't know. But after this joining, Academy of Private Investor teaches me everything. 8 rules of private investor. Nowadays, this is a professional courses, professional investor courses, and also the invest consultant. Now I am able to advise many more people how to build a portfolio. Everything I know. But before that, I don't know. Even many more people don't know. So you please go to your society, you go to your clients, and you can tell them. So there is a investor, there is a job profession, there is a profession like an investor. So what is the advantage of this investor? There is no pros, only cons. Only advantages. Correct? No? So pros and cons, advantage and disadvantage. Only advantages are there. Why? Because so they are having their freedom, financial freedom. They are following in financial path. they are going to achieve their target. Not only them, so their children, their grandchildren, everyone enjoying the system. Why, sir? What is the only one difference? Only one difference, so that their money works for them. In the previous case for businessmen, only the peoples are working. Peoples are working. For example, in a company, 1,000 employees are there. So per day, 8 hours. What it means, sir? Per day, 8 hours. 1,000 employees. 1,000 into 8? 1,000 into 8, 8,000 hours is working for the businessman. Okay, is very good. Third quadrant people. And what about the fourth quadrant? Is it not like so? So he is investing many more business. So he is taking some 500 type of business, as maybe 10, 20 or 30 different business companies, and we are investing. What happens, sir? So we are investing everywhere. My money is working for me. If I am an investor, my money is working for me. It's automatically growing, it's duplicating, it's multiplicating, it's multiple. Correct? No? So this is the setup, sir. So now you may be in a job, first quadrant or second quadrant, third quadrant, your entire target, your final destination, it must be fourth quadrant. Okay, sir. So this is the way. Daily, I'm already, so anywhere, everywhere I see the people, I'm asking only question. Only one question. What is the question? No? So how much experience you have? He may be telling, sir, 15 years experience in this category. Okay, sir. So after this 15 years experience, what you have done? They are telling, okay, so one son got married and another son is like studying and something that history they will give you. Okay. So now finally I ask, no, so how much money you are having? So then they are just blinking. Sir, what is the question? Yes, I am asking again. Sir, how much money you are having? So there, no, sir, there is no money. We are waiting for salary. Okay, then how much asset you are having? Nothing. So then again I ask, so anything passive income coming to you? They just blink again. Passive income? What is the passive income? I don't know. So then again I ask the question, you know active income? Yes, sir, active income. Yes, I know. Because if I go salary, then salary will be coming. There is active income. Okay, if for a month I am not absent, I am not going to get it. He knows actually. He knows that person is no experienced person, 15 years experienced person. He know what is the active income, but he doesn't know what is the passive income. So that's why I clearly said, sir, this is the system. This is like a system. Quadrants are there. So go and study Rich Dad Poor Dad. That is book. Okay. So there is an investor, like a profession is there. So 15 years you are continuously getting the salary month on month. How much savings you have done for the investing? So I said, so he doesn't know anything. You understand the situation, sir? Okay, so you understand the situation now? Everywhere in the society, year after, if you meet any person, you ask this question. So that question, if you ask any person this question, that person will be your partner. If you agree means you can give me 100, sir. If you agree this is the situation. Because you know how to inspire him, how to realize him. So because this is the way you can directly ask him. So what about your money? What about how much money you are working for your money? So there is no one is getting these things. No one knows what is the passive income. Correct? No. So that's why in this way you can realize. Okay, sir. So I hope you understand these things. So what is the cash flow quadrant? Your aim must be to become the fourth quadrant investor. Okay, sir. I can go to next thing. So what is the first step you have to take in order to become you? Okay, you as the professional investor. So your money is working for you, and you are going to take getting more money out of your money. So what is the first step? Okay, sir. Entrepreneur. Nothing that. Okay, entrepreneur. You have to start with the second quadrant first, and then you can go to third quadrant and then fourth quadrant. Entrepreneur. So what is the entrepreneur? So we can't go directly to the fourth step. Is it not possible? Step by step only. Okay, sir. So first step, entrepreneur. So entrepreneur, how to become the entrepreneur? Okay, sir. In our company, Evorich, there is a concept, MLCI, multi-level crowd investing. Multi-level crowd investing. What is the meaning of multi-level crowd investing? So there is a two set of. So we can divide it into two. Okay, sir. MLM, multi-level marketing, plus crowd investing. Crowd investing. So a set of people, a group of people, a group of community. So they are combinedly investing in such a project. So then what will happen, sir? MLM plus investing. These two we can call it as MLCA. So this is one of the unique model which is created by our company across the world. So there is no system such like this system across the world. MLCI. Okay, sir. So there is MLCI. There is a system. I'm going to explain you everything. Through this MLCI, you can easily become entrepreneur without having any stress, without having any big money, nothing. Okay, you can easily create this entrepreneur. So you are the entrepreneur. You can easily come to this step. So what you have to do? Okay, go and connect with your upline who is invited you to this meeting. Okay, get registered in our Evorage, and you can search the product. What are the products? So we are having almost more than 15 different type of products. So you go and search the product and which is suit you. Okay, so which product you have to select? You can go and select whatever may be the price. It's not a problem. So we are going to start at $30, 30 units to different type. Okay, several products are there. You go and search the product. If it is suit, no, then you can select. And then you go through the material. All the promo materials are there inbuilt, or be some such PDFs are there, video materials is there, PowerPoint presentations are there. You go through, do your due diligence. Due diligence. What is the meaning of due diligence? So with your own brain, with your own experience. For example, I may be saying 20 years of experience. So in this 20 years of experience, my brain is full of such maybe positive or negative materials that I don't know. Positive impression or negative impression, that I don't know. But out of this 20 years of experience, I have to go through all the material. So then you came to know this company is good or not. This is doing genuine or not. This is legal or not. You have to do your own due diligence. If you ask with someone who don't know, then they will be confusing you. So that is not the case. Okay. So you have to go through all the material. So that's why you have to register first. So select a product, bought it, and you go to all the material, and then you will come to know. So this is the good company. So this is the company you may be searching in these your previous years. I'm searching almost 17 years. So then finally on 18th year, I got this. I got grace. Okay, through God's grace, I prayed God that God helped me. So I gone inside the Evorage. Now I am in council also. Correct? No. So then what is the next step? Finally. So you have to share everything. Just sharing these things. So this is one of the best thing. So you can share to among, okay. So if you feel something is good, then you can share it. No? So why you are resisting? Why you are stopping yourself? Why there is a limitation? Cross the boundary. So this is a global awareness. So you, wherever the people across the universe, you just share it. Use the social media. Use give through your mouth. Okay, mouth marketing. Something you can just share it. So for example, if you are more happy, for example, your birthday, what you are going to do? Full day. Okay, you are sharing. This is my 25th birthday. This is my 30th birthday. So this is my wedding anniversary day. So you are sharing because this is good. You feel good. Okay, you feel such achievements like you are thinking. So I'm a good human. Okay, I'm helpful to the society. So that's why this is a happiest moment. So just like a happiest moment, you share it anywhere. That's the business side. Nothing apart from that. So then a society, a same frequency minded community will come. So that is your structure. So that is your asset. As I said, no, in the third quarter, people are working for the Reliance. Maybe 1 lakh of people, 1 lakh people are working. So the same way, in your structure, some 1,000 people are working. So you are all same as a business. You got it? If you got it means you can give me 20, sir. So if you create your own structure, then what will happen? That people are working for you and you are going to get something from them. That is the structure. That is you're building a community. Okay, for you. They are working for them, but for you there is a community. Correct? No? So that is a way. So how you become entrepreneur without an office, without internet, without nothing, no need of office, no need of own location, no need to pay the rent. I said everything. Freelancer. Okay, through freelancer you can earn $10,000, $20,000, or a lakhs of rupees. How it is possible? So through this way only it is possible. Through sharing. Okay, I can go to next step. So find out the people who really need something. Okay, building business from the scratch. What is the meaning of scratch? Scratch means I have nothing. I have nothing in my hand. I have no purse at all. I am a negative. I am a 0%. Okay, no, don't bother. Don't bother at all. So building from the scratch. Building business from the scratch. What is that meaning, sir? So find the people who are hungry. Who are hungry. You already know what is the meaning of hungry. If you feel hungry, now what you do? So whatever may be the things, you can start eating. That's all, very simple. Even though you unlike, even though it is not good actually, then you will be eating this thing because you feel more hungry. You need something. You lose already your energy. Then you need something to self survival. Correct? No? So the same way. So this hungry is nothing but financial hungry. Someone need of money in order to self survive. So go and find out the people. You must be coachable. What is the meaning of coachable? For example, one person, my son, okay, my son, daily came to me, okay, coming to me and said something. I'm eagerly waiting for him. So because from his teacher also, I'm getting some experience. I'm going to get some knowledge. Okay, it's irrelevant of age, irrelevant of experience, irrelevant of their different category. Okay, different sector. For example, one of a chemical engineer coming to me. So I am a mechanical engineer. It's not like the case. So I have to hear something from him because he is going to share some knowledge. I'm going to get it. So that type of activity is a coachable. So you never say no, no sir, you are a different person. You don't want to tell anything. No, it's not the case. So you just feel like an empty tumbler. Empty tumbler, no? So that if it is of empty, you can pour some water, then what will happen, sir? Automatically it will fill it. If it is already filled, no, then what will happen? There is nothing space to fill it. So it's not the case. Daily, daily, daily. So if you, that is by morning you are going to start now, so you must be like an empty one, empty vessel. So whatever the information you are going to get it, so just get inside your mind. Correct, no? So that is the thing. Coachable. You must be coachable, open-minded. Open-minded. Don't cross anything. Don't tell lie. So whatever the system you are having, whatever the technique you are having, go and tell with others. You must be open-minded. Then everyone is coming to be ready to work for you, to help for you. So if you are close-minded, no, then no one will be coming inside. No one will be, so there may be always a distant relationship with others. So it will not be a good environment for you. So that's why you have to find a people in such a way, they are very hungry, needy of something, not only the money, need of some target, need of some achievement. Okay, anything maybe. So you must be a coachable. If you want to tell anything, so they must listen. They must listen at least. So if the people don't want to listen, then what is the things? So there is no need of relationship with him. Just left him. Go with some other. Correct? No? So you must be open-minded people. So that environment must be good. Why I am saying these things, no? So that daily you are calling. Okay, so he has to receive, no? He has to receive your call. You are calling and he is not receiving, then what is the situation? He is not angry, he is not, that is watchable, he is not open-minded. So then left him and you go with another person. That's all, very simple. Correct, no? So and then invite them to the presentation. That's all. Today is the presentation. So you can invite many more people. Sir, today there is a business training, evaluation. So you can come to us. Okay, you can invite. Let them come or not. That is their open decision. So you doesn't decide anything. I'm inviting everyone. Correct? No, you don't decide. So because it's not up to us. God not given any rights to you. You just what is the right? No, you have to invite other person. We don't justify him. We don't judge them. Why? Because so this may be a wonderful opportunity. This may be changing his career. Then who is you? Then who are you? You are deciding them. For example, I know one person, Suresh. So he is my childhood friend. Okay. So for example, I'm telling. So then I'm deciding, no, Suresh at that time when I am studying fifth standard, he's not good guy, and he's always childish and he is always disturbing. No, this is not the case. Immediately Suresh is coming to me. At that time in the childhood fifth standard, so you may be a wrong guy. But now he's a right guy. He may be a right guy. Correct? No. So you are meeting after some 10 years, 15 years, 5 years, 7 years, 2 years. Then how can I judge him? Correct? No. So you understand my situation? If you understand means give me 5, sir. So this is the situation. Several people, they are doing the wrong in this type of marketing. What they are doing? So they are judging automatically. This guy will not come. This guy is a wrong guy. So this guy will be like this. So he will not be suitable for my relationship. So this guy will not be suitable for my business. Correct? No. So this is not the case. So you have to invite each and everyone. Let them take the opportunity or not take the opportunity. It's up to them. Correct? No. So this is a scenario. So now you just invite everyone, okay, to this presentation, and then so listen corporate webinar, and then help them to register. Okay, and choose the best product to serve their needs. Correct? No. So what are their needs actually? What they want. So you have to closely connect with the person. Sir, what is your need actually? So they may be telling, sir, I don't have salary. I at least 20,000 or 50,000 I need per month for my self survival. Okay. So this is your target. So it's easily achieved by your company plan. Yes, I will guide you. I am helping you, but you must also show your interest, involvement, because then they will. It's like a bridge. It's like a cooperation. Correct? No, just shaking hand. Okay, I am with you. So that's why help them to register and choose the best product to serve them. Okay, and offer the MLCA business. So let them start these things. Correct? No. So he will also do the same. So whatever you are doing, he will also do the same. So then automatically you must also repeat. Your clients also must repeat these things. So find the people in this way and invite them to the webinar and help them to register. So this is like a cycle. This is like the cycle. You see, every morning will come and every evening it must come. It will come. Anyway, you are going to bed. Anyway, you are going to take again from the bed. Correct? No, so this is like a cycle. So definitely you have to do this cycle consistently. There is no take and leave. There is nothing here. Okay, so it's like a continuous process. So if you do these things, automatically you will become the entrepreneur with the MLCA. There is no doubt at all. Okay, so at least repeat these things 21 days, then it will become a habit. Nowadays, whatever I said in the previous slide, it may be uncomfortable to you. But I am saying if you continuously do this for 21 days, it will be a comfortable. Even though other people are telling it's uncomfortable, but you feel very comfortable. Correct? No. So because why I am saying this much of 100% assurance, I already done these things. Now I'm a leader, I'm a mentor, I'm already done everything. I'm in a financial path. Okay, to achieve the financial freedom. My dream is very big. So that's why I'm following these things. Right now, you continuously do these things. Your mentors will help, your clients will help. Okay, sir. Now we move to next. So find an invite. That's all. So now there is a major question from in your mind. Okay, what is the major question, sir? Ravikumar said clearly. Okay, then how to invite, sir? Where to find out the people? Yes, of course. This is a major question from each and every one. Correct? Now see the screen. People all everywhere. Wherever you move, people are there. Correct? No? So on the street, at the bus station, in the restaurant, social media, chat, group, network, schools, everywhere. So from the morning to evening, wherever you move, people are there. You already know in our India, we are the second population in the world. So there is nothing, there is a insufficient, there is nothing, what I can say, there is no people. So you are not in Nigeria, you are not in Ghana, you are not in Rajasthan, desert. So there is no people across the thing. No, it's not the case. Everywhere we can find out the people, correct? No, but only one thing, you go and approach them. You can kindly share our MLCA, correct? No, that's all. What is your favorite people? Place to find the people. Okay, so this is the invitation is a simple process. So you have to find out the relationship, that's all. Correct, no? So you see in your mobile, plenty of contacts are there. In your email, so plenty of contacts are there. In your WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, okay. So if you go for a function, okay, so give your business card. Print a business card. Once you join in the company, print a business card. I'm a top leadership council member. Okay, print a business card. Show it to everyone. Okay, so if you want to, if in your free time you want to meet me, come with me. Or you want to call, come with me. Or you want to call with the Zoom, come with me. Okay, I'm ready. Correct, no? So in this way, you have to build the rapport. You have to build the relationship. So in a social media, daily post, okay? Post something. So in order to identify you, in order to show you, I am here to support you. Correct, no? So that build a rapport, relationship. Use Diva. Diva is one of the tool. Diva is one of the tool. It's like a smart card, digital card. I said no, it's like a physical card. So before that visiting card, business card, you'll be telling business card or visiting card. The same way in our company, Diva, a smart digital card is there. Monthly you have to pay $30 subscription. So in that you can create a digital card. Correct? No, for EvoRich, you can do a special card. For EvoSend, you can create another digital card. Any number of cards you can do, no problem. Okay, you can create different cards and you can send it to digitally through WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, everywhere, or through normal message. Okay, you can send it. So this is one type of process, simple invitation process. Okay, in order to attend the webinar, that's all. Okay, and find their needs. That is the only one thing, main thing. Find the needs. What is their people need? What is your opponent? Need. So because there is no one can tell there is no need. So something is there. That need may be it may be very simple, or it may be some big, achievable, not achievable, whatever may be. Just convey with them. Just sit with them and ask the need, problems. Okay. And then offer a solution. That's all very simple. In our university, we are having a solution. We are already having a global investment portfolio. We have everything. We are already having successful model. This company is not a new startup company. This year is already 11 year running. Correct? No. So we are having 17 lakhs of people. We are having a portfolio. We are having asset, everything. We follow all the international legals. Then why you bother, sir? You please share these things. Then their people, your opponent, your client, your downline, they may be feel something good, something positive. Okay, so I am in the right company. I am in the right platform. My friend is there in the right platform. Correct? No? So then they will easily mingle with you. This is the way to find out the people and connect with them. Correct? No? So there is a video, bonus plan calculation video. Okay, sir. Now I am going to share for you. 1 second. So keep relax. I am going to share a video for you. Okay, sir. 1 second.
For many years, multi-level crowd investing has remained a powerful business tool which has already been used by millions of people to increase their income. In this video, we will tell you how our company EvoRich has successfully implemented and makes the best use of it to achieve continuous growth. What is multi-level crowd investing, or in professional terms, MLCI? And we will tell you why, with such a system in place, your referral income from MLCI can easily exceed the income from your main job. Let's look into it. We use MLCI as an affiliate program whose members are split into 2 ranks and 8 statuses, depending on how effectively they work. Let's assume that Andre is a top manager. Each new user from his affiliate network will generate revenue based on his status. Moreover, new users recruited by members of his affiliate network will also generate revenue. For the sake of convenience, we have divided them into levels. The first level is the person who registered using your link. The second is the person who registered using the link of the person from your first level. The third is the one who registered using the link of the person from the second level, and so on. The levels line up starting from the users that you recruited to your first level. Let's compare 3 situations. In the first case, Andre has 2 members in each level of his affiliate structure. In the second case, 3. In the third, 5, with a total of 6 levels. In the first case, his affiliate network has 126 people. In the second, 1,092 people. In the third, 19,530. Any purchase by a member of his affiliate network yields Andre dividends, depending on his status and the level of his partners. If each Andre's partner spends $1,000, then in the first case, he earns $5,040. In the second, $42,200. In the third, $752,400. Ranks and statuses are the steps in the career ladder at our company. By meeting certain conditions, you will rise and receive more and more opportunities. To increase your rank, you need to get verified and personally purchase EvoReach products for a total of 10 units. To increase your status, you need to recruit new users and motivate them towards achieving new levels. Each new rank or status will increase your income from the affiliate network. For example, if your rank is user, Then adding one person to the second level of your affiliate network allows you to receive 3% of their revenue, whereas for a consultant, it will be 8%. That's how simple it is. You just have to explain it correctly. If you're ready to increase your passive income, join EvoRich ecosystem today to secure a decent tomorrow for yourself. Share this video on your social media. See you soon.
Yes, sir. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay. So maybe network issue. Okay. Maybe some low little voice. Okay. I can give you this video share also, no problem. Okay. So I can continuously do this screen. Okay. Business training. Yes. Next step is the career ladder. Okay. Now you already learned how to become the entrepreneur. So then what is the daily routine, daily schedule for you? Okay. So then what to do in order to become an entrepreneur? Everything you know. Correct. No. So the next step, what to do? So we are having a career ladder. Correct. No. So that is in this ladder, only these two are status. Okay. And these 8 are ranks. So starting from partner to president. So this is the rank, and from user and the client is the status, that is a rank. These two are ranks and these are all status. Correct. Now, so then a registered user, what is that meaning? A registered user can also, without doing without investment, he may be able to earn 30 to 500 units also. Okay. In our plan is very unique, what I said early. So even though if you are not getting any product, even though you are not investing anything, so we are going to get 3 levels of income. Correct. No. So that's why the registered user, without investing anything, so you can earn 3 levels of income. What is that meaning? So in the further slide I can explain you. And what about the client? So you see in the bottom something units is there. No. So what is that units? Correct. No. So you see, if you become the consultant, so your potential may be 300 to 5,000 units a month. Every month you can earn. If you become the president, every month at least $1 lakh also you can earn. So this is the potential, income potential of our status and the rank. Correct? Now I can go to next. Yes. So this is the agent rank. How to achieve the agent rank? So now you must be very clever and you must be very attentive. Okay. So how to become the agent? For example, in the previous slide, what is happening? So you register as a user. Correct? No, you register as a user. Now what happened? So as a user, registered user, so then after giving your documents, so the KYC will be verified. Then if you invest just 10 units, you will become the client. Okay. If you invest 10 units, you will become the client. So at the client end, so you will be getting additional income. So partner means only 3 level of income. If you go for the client by investing just 10 units with our company, you will be getting four levels of income. What is the level I can explain later. Okay, 4 levels of income. And what about the partner? Partner means you must attract a client. Okay, this is the first status, partner. So for example, myself Ravi Kumar. Okay, I am going to introduce a client. Okay, with a 10 unit, okay, then what will happen? No? So he is a client. So now I am Ravi Kumar. Okay, so I got invested 15, for example. Now I am getting another client. He is also invested 50 units. So then what will happen, sir? I am become the partner. Correct? Now very simple. Ravi Kumar. So he invested 50 units. Before that, who I am? I am already a registered user. Given the documents, I verified my things. Okay, and I am invested just 10 units. I will be called as the client. If I additionally invest just 40 units, so that what happens? So including 50 units I invested, then I will be calling as a partner, provided I introduce one more person. So the same 50 units invested. Correct now? So that is the partner. So now I try to become the agent. Correct now? So now I move to second step. Next slide. Agent. You see? So if it is of Ravi Kumar, for example. So that if I invested 200 personal purchase with our company, then I introduce one person again, A, if he invested 200 units, and one person B, if he is also invested 200 units, invested personal volume 200 units, whatever may be the product, no problem. We are having some different type of products with our Revolve ecosystem. So it can do anything. Someone may be interested in ND, someone may be interested in WCR, someone may be in a different category. So that whatever maybe you can purchase, no problem. So now you are introducing in your direct level, okay? So you are having a referral registration referral link. You give it to your friend, he has registered and he is invested 200 units, okay? And now, so he may be Ravi and he may be Kumar. For example, Ravi invited one more person called Suresh. For example, so that Suresh invested 50 units. Okay, this person not invited Suresh directly. Who invited? Ravi only invited. Correct? Now, the same way, this is Kumar. Kumar invited some vanilla. So then what will happen? Vanilla is not invited by this person. Correct? No, vanilla is invited by Kumar only. So this is the first level. You see, partner. These are all first level and these are all second level. Correct? Now, first level is directly invited by you. And what about the second level? The second level persons are not invited by you directly. So these second level of people is invited by you, by your first level people. So that's why you can differentiate. So this is the first level, second level, and then third level, fourth level. So this is like a set of people. It will be automatically growing in this structure. Correct? Now, so that's why this structure we can call as the agent. So what about the total team investment? So you invested 200 units and your friend Ravi Kumar invested 200 units and then this person invested 200. Ravi invested 200 and Kumar invested 200. So totally 600 and 50, 700. So totally 700 team volume. You are invested with the company that is with our Evolus ecosystem. Then you will become the agent. So what about the advantages? Why I need to become the agent? Okay, you already having some target. No, you already having some need, financial need. So you see, agent commission is 5 levels of commission. If you are the level partner, only 5 levels of commission, but reduced commission. You see, from the first level, 7% is only coming. Second level, 5%. Third level, 4%. Fourth level, 3%, and then fifth level, 2%. If you become the agent, then the increased commission will be. So this is the first rank you have to achieve. Your target must be in this. Why, sir? Why my target in this agent? So now, for example, I am telling. So today I am an agent. Okay, sir. I am going to invite a person. That person, according to our screen, so this is the first leg and this is the second leg. I want to increase the third leg. Correct? No? So keenly attend, sir, please. Keenly concentrate. So that this is the first leg, Ravi, and this is the second leg, Kumar. Now, I am going to invite a third person, Vanilla, for example. So then what will happen? To that Vanilla, what I will be telling, sir, I am an agent in this evolution. So they will be seeing the plan. Where is the agent? So registered user is there, and then client is there, and then partner is there, and you are in fourth step. You understood? You are in fourth step. Now, you are going to see one person, new prospective. You must be telling, I am an agent. So then that person will be understanding you. Okay, so he is a leader. He already crossed the 3 steps. He is now in third step. Now the new prospective is in the 0th step. Correct now? So then there will be a good relationship. You understand this? You understand this concept? So you must already become the agent, then go to the third person, fourth person, fifth person in your first level. First level is unlimited one. Correct? No, it's unlimited one. You can invite 100 persons also. You can invite 1,000 persons also. So, but only the 2% you must show you as a registered user or client something. But if you go for the third person, you must be definitely an agent. Then it will be good for you. Correct? No, you understand these things means give me 100, sir. You understand these things? So this is the what I can say, business tricks. So before you go into third person, fourth person, fifth person, you must be agent at least. Correct? No. So then what is the thing I have to tell? I am telling. So concentrate in the 2 legs, make them partner, 2 partner, and you become the agent. Don't go to third leg. Correct? No. While you are going to third leg, what you have to do? You must become the agent. Then there will be a gap between these people, third people, fourth people. What is the people? He is going to register on the first day. He is a registered user, but But what about you? You are already agent, no? So then they will give respect. Understood? So I am showing the screen again. So you see, agent is there in the fourth step, but the registered user on the first step, they will give respect and they will attend you. They will get all the information just like a empty templar, and they will also get registered. Very simple. So this is the tricks behind this. Okay. So that's why our plan is designed in such a way. Agent is having only 2 legs, and if you go for the next rank, so that's why it will become 4 legs. So the next rank, core rank. Okay. Core rank is the consultant. How to become the core rank? So what is the difference between agent rank and the core rank? So that's why we are giving 2 leg relaxation in the agent rank. If you go for the 4 leg, then you become the core rank. The same things. Okay. You have to create a 4 agents. Correct. No. So then you see, you are already an agent and you have invested 200 units. Now you have to increase plus 300 personal volume. So the totally cumulative 500 volume. Correct. No. So then what you have to do? You already know how to become the agent. You already know because you already crossed the agent and now you try to go to the consultant. Just duplicate. Correct. No. So find out 4 people. 2 people from the direct and the 2 people must be unlimited, undepth. Okay, so that is they may be in 3rd level, 4th level, 5th level, wherever. But 4 different leg, 4 different user you must identify in your first leg. Correct? Now, for example, this one is a Ravi, this one is a Kumar, this one is a Suresh. Suresh may not be directly coming as a agent, but under Suresh, some 3rd level, he may become agent, means that is also counted for you. So these are all the relaxed plan. This is the achievable plan. Correct? No? And again the same, this is vanilla. Vanilla may not be become agent, but under vanilla, some person may be Vetrichel. So they may be that she may be given agent. Then it is counted for you. Correct? No? So like 2 legs are strong. Your direct must be become the agent, and the 2 legs must be unlimited way. So unlimited depth. Wherever it can come. Okay, but that in that single leg, third leg, it must be. Correct? No. So this is the core rank. This is the consultant. Are you ready? If you're ready, means you can give me some 500. Sir. Are you ready? Are you impressive? Are you interested? Give me some 500. Sir. I'm seeing the chat. Are you ready? Yes. Very good. Sir. Okay. Are you ready? Yes. In this case, so it's very impressive actually. Why? Because no, the plan is very unique. It's an achievable plan. Correct? No? So now we move on to next. Within 5 to 10 minutes, I will finish my session. Yes, of course. Everything we have get already. Okay. So now you are the creator of your own destiny. So there is no one is telling what to do. So for Ravi Kumar, my father will not be telling and my mother will not be telling what to do. Because I have to decide my own. What is my aim? What is my target? What is my wish? Okay. So I am the creator of my own destiny. Where is the end? Some people may be telling, so if I earn $1 lakh, it is the end. Okay, it's up to you. What I am telling, if I earn $50 lakh, so it may be 1 million, 2 million. It is a destiny. It is the end of me. So you are the creator of your own destiny. You have to fix a goal. You have to fix a target. You have to fix a dream. Correct? No. So then only it must be. Then only you follow everything, whatever I said. Otherwise, it will not be possible. Because without a dream, even a football player, he is having some goal. Even anything, okay, he is having some goal. Without goal, nothing is possible. Okay, sir. What about the additional business training, which is given by our company? So today I have given free. I have not asked anything with you. Okay, it's very free training. Okay, but this type of free training, several things may be, but from the company side, so there may be some paid additional business training. What is the paid additional business training? So this is only for MLCA entrepreneur, multi-level crowd investing entrepreneur. Through this, you can earn anything. You can go across the globe. There is no boundary. There is no limitation. Sky is the limit. Correct? No? So here we have designed something, $1 million partner. So that is, it starts from client to consultant rank. Okay, so client to consultant, so that is 250 units, but for a discount, the company is giving 99 units. Right now, so but MLCA Pro training, I'm already MLCO Pro graduate. I already finished mentoring session. So now what happened? So from consultant to president. So if you become consultant, then MLCA Pro will be eligible for you. If you are not become consultant, then you cannot join. Okay, you can join $1 million. That's all. Correct? No, so that is 2,500 units. It's coming for 1,200. Why I have to study this? So because all the inner secrets. It's already a successful proven record. Correct? No, if you finish MLCI Pro, then MLCI Professional, you will become 100% MLCI Professional. What to do? What are the barriers? What are the hurdles? What are the difficulties in order to go proceed and come to the president? Okay, you will come to understand. Correct? No, and the same way MLCI Pro leader package. Public speaking. I already finished the public speaking course. That's why I am before you. You were a speaker. Correct? No. So how to see my camera, how to equip my hand, how to what is my body language, how to explain. Okay, everything I know. And then your training is also there. These are all the additional business training which is given by the company. Go and connect with your upline who invited you. He will be telling everything for you. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I hope I finished these things. So you joined today and there is a great offer for you. What is the offer? So synergy of success. It's like a 3-in-1 total discount. Discount up to 66%. It's designed for our beginner by Academy of Private Investor. Okay. So some Genius of Finance game is also there. So this will help you. So go and connect with your upline and say them synergy of success. It's a 3-in-1 project. So three different products you are going to buy it. Okay. So what about the course detail? I am telling synergy of success. So standard package, it is of 525 unit. What is included in this package? So Genius of Finance, it is 525 unit and $1 million partner. So that is 250 unit and there is 8 rules of private investor. So total combined 8 rules of private investor is free. Capitalization fundamental, how to preserve your money, how to capital your money. Okay. So these are all the things. 5 commandments of private investor, everything is free. But the total cost is 775. But for you, today, okay, if you join, then it will be just 260 units. You will be getting Genius of Finance game, box format, and also $1 million partner is like an online version. Okay, so these things you will be getting 66%. You save 515 unit, you are going to save it just for 260. We can buy these things from our one of the partnership company, Academy of Private Investors. Okay, sir. I hope you understand. So there is one more premium version. The same thing. So Genius of Finance game box format and also the host. What is the host? Genius of Finance host. So they will train the Genius of Finance people. They will train many more people. For all bought the Genius of Finance game format, they will train. Okay, they know how they will train. Company is giving host training. Correct? No, I am the Genius of Finance host also. I know how to play the game, how to organize 8 people, 10 people. So in a table, there is some 5 people will be there. In another table, some 5 people. So totally 10 people I can handle 2 tables and I can teach them what is the Genius of Finance. From the name itself, you can understand that is a finance. Genius of Finance, how to handle the cash, how to handle the asset, how to handle your balance sheet, what is the income, what is the expenditure, how much you can save. Okay, everything I came to know. So then these things I can teach you because I already finished the Genius of Finance post training. Correct? No. So in addition to that, MLCA Pro, this also you will be getting. So what is the total cost? 3,525. Okay, and today if you buy this, so it will be only 1,300 units. You will be getting 8 rules of private investor and also Genius of Finance game format and also training of host also will be given. In addition to that, MLCA Pro. This also you will be getting. Okay, you are saving 2,225 units. I finished everything in the company. That's why I am a speaker now. I got more knowledge and I am already a professional investor. I am saving my money. Okay, I am having more asset. So everything we are enjoying because I am the part of financial freedom, financial freedom. Right now, so these things. Yes, sir. I hope my training is very useful for you, and I hope I assure it will be helpful for you for your career. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. I am hand over my platform to our host. Okay, Engineer Karthik, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Great speech, sir. Okay. Thank you to all.